YouTube, what I say? Long time the I soon. Big up to all of my people them on the YouTube, yeah, and all of my subscribers them. Big up on yourself. You see me I say, you see the girls them wanna know the baby come again. I don't know. I don't know say anytime I come, something me have, make me come. Big up Jamaican P, a film talk that you know. Anytime I come, I must something. Jamaican P, big up on yourself. You see me I say over there, so said way. And yo, you see people them what they this Jamaican P, you know, if you cut out on the crap because a man have messaging and thing when him attack. But a man use the Jamaican hardcore style. You see me I say, and deal with them thing. You get what I say? So when you subscribe and share man channel said we are making people them all over the world know what go on said we and the rest of Jamaican them know what go on said we because so it thing set off. You see me I say? So big up Jamaican P and big up Jamaican P fans them over there so said we because I don't know how easy this you know, you see me? Yeah man. But yeah, you see right now I got touch. I don't think I got stay long as right now. I got touch to like a quick topic because I'm busy and I kind of deal with some whole issue and thing and I couldn't get to do no video and thing. And also big up Gully Bop and big up Olive. Queen Olive large. Right now Queen Olive there at Jamaica you know and go visit Gully Bop birthday thing and you don't know. Big up Queen Olive. Queen Olive have a mad tune too you know. If you go if you check out the channel, she do a freestyle. Real mad. You see me I say? Yeah man, big up the Queen said we. You don't know a thing set. Yeah, so what may I say now? First thing I want to do, big up to Gargamel Buju Banton. Back home again. You see me I say? You don't know. Done his a journey in Babylon and they back home again. Big up to Buju Banton and big up to everybody who support Buju Banton. You don't know me nice state, but me there way down in Texas. You see me I say in Atlanta, Georgia, Buju Banton was you see me I say was Atlanta, Georgia and thing. So I just get the news flash and thing. But yesterday I couldn't do no video. You see me I say so big up Buju Banton. Thank God say him come home and he's safe and Buju Banton look strong and fit said way. Look like when they lift all up a weight in a prison there and exercise hard. You see me I say so big up Buju Banton and right now we don't know say a whole heap of tour now go on for him said way. You see me I say and I'm go sorry say him can't get to come to US right now, but probably later on him go get to come back to US because you don't know a thing set. You see me I say so big up Buju Banton, you know, thank God say you come out safe. You see me I say a one man left right now. Two man left, Cartel and Ninja Man. You see me I say them for their road too. You see me I say yeah, so we are look forward to Cartel you know. You see me and then Ninja Man. You see me I say yeah, so that me have to say right now upon that. You see me I say. But right now me have another issue where I want to touch real quick. You see me I say. Me see one a video I circulate on the web where a little school girl, you know, she in a classroom and she a cuss and she a say she want to stab up the teacher and them sitting there. You see me I say because the teacher text it upon her. You see me I say. I see a lady do a vlog about it, a little talk. You see me I say, she named Diamond. You see me I say, big up to Diamond, you don't know a thing set. You see me I say, so, one my little take on that right now. You see me I say, my battery low, hold on, let me plug in my battery fast there. Hold on the YouTube, hold on, I remember say, my name when my battery got dead. I plug in it real quick. There we go, we have power. You see me I say. Yeah, so my take on that saying, cause as what I say now, I give my opinion, you know. You see me I say. You see, and every time I do my thing, and you see history have a lot to do with what going on right now. So, you know, we have to reflect on the history for guide when our past. I mean, we have to reflect on the past for guide in our future. You see me I say? Yeah, so what may I try to show you right now? If you check out for history, remember saying no, Jamaica we under slavery and heap a slur and thing what them put down on black people. And then now when time Bucky Master them gone and breed up some whole heap of black woman and get some copper color picnic and thing. And they hand them all our land and thing. And that's how one segregation coming up. and they maintain the segregation there up till today day. So if up till today day in a modern time now, if you go to school as a black youth and you not have 5 pair of uniform and 5 pair of shoes, you see me, and 5 different bag or whatsoever you wear if you go to school, you know, for maintain certain standard. Some people not rate you. The most majority of people them not gonna rate you. So all of that now they come from racism. You see me I say, if you're born certain way and you look certain way, again, you see me, because I have a youth where a special need, you know. I'm not afraid to talk. You see me I say, because I just saw him come. You see me I say, and we have to show him love. And me have to look out for him. And I make nobody fuck around my youth. You see me I say, so I an idea if you see somebody look certain way, then text it for him, because when my youth, when they are Jamaica and I go to school, you know, then text it for me youth and I call him handicap, you know. Every day my daughter have to fight, you know. They fight them off, you know. You see me I say, so she come here now with a mentality, she have a fighting mentality, right, you know, and me have to talk to her and thing. You see me I say, so she train and she can defend herself. And she come America, you know, and pick me text it for her, she come from Jamaica, then call them Jamaican and all kind of some slur business, and they fight. My daughter have to mash up some of them to said way. You see me I say, so it's a racism thing. You see me I say, and the Jamaican people them have it and them not even know. You see me I say, so we a man deal with the teacher, deal with the youth. That's the youth get mad. The youth couldn't take it no more. You see me I say, couldn't take it no more. You see me I say, so in idea, she have a vent out. You see me I say, and our cup overflow that she say, yo, she will stab him up and he won't catch him, he will kill him. You see me I say, because the man takes it upon the youth, probably to youth look away, and the youth not ugly or nothing, you know. You see me I say, but to them have you as a way, say, probably she look away or whatever, and takes it upon the youth. You see me I deal with, and the youth have a vent out, and then now them out talk about them out call police. You see me I say, I saw a Babylon system set up. You see me, when you did that mess around the youth, you couldn't look in at yourself. So you see all them the man enough to teach in a school around people picnic. Because you say if I were my picnic, me not talk what mother do, you know. You say if I were my youth, it wouldn't go so. You see me I say, and you wouldn't blood click get for teach back there so. If I were my youth. You see me I say, so I an idea, no if I teach them and some of my students, them I push the youth them over the edge. And then them I make them look a video and put it all over the world. And when good thing are going, them now make no video about that. You see me I say, them shouldn't video a girl and put it all over the world now on social media. You see me I say, and them push a girl over the edge. You see me I say, the teacher they should have get charged and go to prison. Because I'm good always sexually harass a girl too. You see me I say, I good little that him a do. And the style. When him buck her one away. And then he mock her. Police will investigate the matter. You see me I say, we don't know if you just blame me upon the girl one. Police will investigate the matter. And see what conspire that. You see me I say, because some people not really talk, you know, till when time they're ready for vent out, you know. You see me I say, some people not talk till they're ready for vent out. You see me I say, so police will investigate that and see what caused the girl for have to vent out that way. A man go down sexually assault a girl in a class. And when him buck her one away upon the compound. You see me? And the girl say, man, I text it upon him. You see me I say, I'm going to rate that car. You know one teacher, this my daughter, assault my daughter, and my daughter press charge. You see my daughter 17 now. She not even call me and tell me, you know. She just press charge instant, the man get locked up. You see me, one white teacher, man, I diss you with them. You see me, I say, and I call them all kind of name in a class, whore, and I sing song, and he go diss my daughter, grab my daughter out of chair, drop him on ground. You see me, I say, and my daughter ease him off. You see me, I say, and him push her, and she just go straight to the police. And him pick up a blood clot assault charge, and he get locked the fuck up. You understand me I say? Yeah. I saw a thing for going to Jamaica too. And an idea that a teacher boy there if get some form of discipline and if he lose him blood clot job because the girl saying text set pan him. You know when time picture text set in a junk back, I saw a man text set pan the youth. You see me I say? I mean, I like that. So me have to come out come talk. You see me, I say me have to come out come talk. Because me ain't like that. And then everybody a talk about, oh, him fi go to jail. You see me, I say, when you push a girl over the edge, think about that. You see me, I say, you push a little girl over the edge. When the girl come to school to get him education and you're a teacher and you do that, why you doing that? You see me, I say, to a little girl. You see me? And people that make idiot comments. You see me, I say idiot comments and I say girl mentally ill or whatever. But you know, everybody can take something. You have some people that they will not say nothing, you know. For a while, you know, you push them, you know. And you don't know what happen. You push them over the edge until them have to do something or say something. You see me I deal with? Well, a teacher should be a counselor, a parents, everything to the kids them as good. The teacher's not supposed to dip on the youth them back like a pitchery. You see me I deal with? They not fi do that. Them not get paid for do that. People not pay tax for do that. For teacher get paid for do them thing there. You see me I talk about? Yeah. So the police investigate him and see what go on, because I can sexual harassment and I can different harassment said way. Me no know. You see me I say? So yo, when you look into it, Jamaica, and leave in the comments and tell me what you think. Because that video is very important and you just share that video. You see me I say, if you not just come and subscribe, you know, me I do something right now. My hose for my washer broke, so me I go try to fix it right now. You see me I go Home Depot and I get something and thing. You see me I say, so leave a comment down at the bottom or something and make a reason. You see me I say, even though I'm not depend on regular, but me things soon up and running regular again. You see me I say, so big up all of my people them, my loyal subscriber them, and beg on to share video. You see me I say, we're nice. You see me I say, easy the girls and baby, I'm out.